Hello friends, today I got a box and I got a new phone in it. Let me show you which phone I got it today and let me open it for you. And I open the box. Let's see what we got. Surprise, surprise. And we got a new phone, Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. And let's see the specifications. Is it seal packed? Yes, it's brand new phone, and I just ordered it a couple days ago, and it's showing me Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. And let's open the box and see how's from the inside. And we open it. Let's open it. Come on, babe. Come on, come on. And let's see which phone is it. It is Samsung S21 Ultra 5G. That's quite big phone. And this is a brand new phone. Papers on it. The front screen also protected on it. This is a clip hold it to lift up phone. And this is a 512 GB phone. And let's see what we got in the box. Let's open this one and let's see what they have it in there. There is a power cord. Yes, power cord. And that's paper, and this is nothing else. Actually, I bought a phone for around about $2,200, and I paid for that 512 GB, and no adapter and no hands-free with that. Just imagine, for $2,200 phone, they sell $2,200 phone without the adapter and without the hands-free. This is a phone, and let's see and enjoy and make a new videos on that.